Hello my lovelies, so how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. So welcome to my channel Greet Tarot. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support guys. So today's pick a card reading is about what is coming towards you in the next 30 days. Okay, so about next 30 days, what's gonna happen, what are the energies you need to expect. Okay, so that is what this reading is going to be. I'll be pulling out your charms also, okay, and letters also. Okay, so watch till the end of the reading if you want that also. And I have pulled out affirmations card also to help you, okay, in this the next 30 days. So the affirmations that will help you, that also I have pulled out. So okay, so here you have 3 cards here. So I have pulled all the aces of this Guild Tarot deck. Okay, so the first card for group 1 is this beauty. Okay, beauty, Ace of Cups, beauty for my group 1. Then for my group 2 is Ace of Wands, that is potency. For my group 2 people, there is potency. Okay, and for my group 3 people, it's energy. That is Ace of Swords. Okay, energy. So here is your group 1, group 2 and group 3. Okay, so close your eyes, relax your mind and select one group intuitively. So so the card you're drawn to, select that card. Don't go with your eyes, select intuitively. That might have a message for you. So remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. And yeah, I hope you get some inspiration, some motivation through this reading. Okay, and the timestamps will be in the description box below. If you need more time, please go ahead and pause the video, and I'll be going and I'll start the reading with group 1. Okay, so hello my group 1 who chose this Ace of Beauty. So let's see what's coming towards you in the next 30 days. So we will be doing the charms also. So if you will watch till then, you can watch that also. We'll be doing the letters also. So let's see what's coming towards you in the next 30 days. I have pulled an affirmation card also that will help you in the next 30 days. So let's see what is coming towards you. So the main energy is embracing enthusiasm. Shout to the heavens with happiness. So when you are happy, express yourself. Okay, when you are sad, express yourself. So it's important to do that also. So in this card, this female is like so happy to see the butterflies. So when you're happy, be happy. Okay, don't sometimes people don't express themselves, so it's important you express yourself. Okay, be encouraging and encourage yourself to do the things you want to do in your life. Okay, and be happy. Okay, that's the thing. When you're happy, be happy. Don't be afraid to be happy. Some people are afraid to be happy. I feel like that, and I feel with this butterfly also, you're also transforming. Okay, and this flowers also, I feel the good vibes are coming. You're embracing the positive side of your life. I feel like that also. You're letting go of the negatives, you're letting go of the things that is not serving you, and finally you're embracing yourself and you're loving yourself. So that is also coming, and you will be very, very enthusiastic to do the things you want to do in your life. You will have this kind of energy also. And I feel many of you will be glowing also from inside and out. You will be expressing yourself more and more and more. I feel like that. And if you're not expressing, this card is saying to express yourself. Okay, you express your love also. Express when you're sad. Express that also. Don't keep it to yourself. I feel like that. Yes, the devil energy. So I feel many of you are getting out of this devil energy. You are, I said that, you're embracing that. You are finally letting go of that negative things you have inside your head, or maybe something, some substance that was stopping you from achieving certain things. You're letting go of that also, and finally you're transforming as a new person. Okay, you're letting go of that self-doubt that you had inside yourself, or something that was restricting you. You are letting go of that. Okay, wow, you're working hard. Yeah, you're getting into spirituality, or you're learning something new. That is also here. Okay, you're learning something new. Some new opportunities are also coming towards you. I feel like that. Okay, with this Hierophant, you're learning new. Maybe some of you are going into higher education also. That can also happen here with this Hierophant. Okay, maybe marriage is also possible. This is because this Hierophant is also about this marriage traditions also. Maybe you're beginning a new life also. Okay, maybe you're planning to marry or something like that is also, you're planning about that also, so that is also gonna happen. I feel like that marriage is something that is coming here. And I feel many of you might be ending a relationship that is not working for you, or getting out of something that is not working for you. You know that what is not working for you, and you will be very happy about it, because you let go of that, and you will be happy about that. I feel like that here. Yes, you're working towards your goals with this 8 of Pentacles. Maybe you are learning something new, okay, you're learning something new, and you're going to work hard for that, and you will not be stressed about it, but you will be working, you will be spending your time working. Maybe it's a new hobby or something, your hobby, you will be learning, you will be working, and you will be so passionate about it, and there will be no time for negative thinking or something like that, because you will be so busy with your work. I feel like that. And so be happy with whatever you achieve, be happy, okay, and when you're happy, just express that, okay, express your joy. And look at this, we have this Queen of Pentacles energy here, okay. So I feel like that many of you will be, you're maturing, okay, at the same time you will have the finances also. I feel like that, so you will be happy with your finances. I feel like that many of you will be happy, finally happy. Or maybe some of you are planning to start some business also, you're learning about that, and you're working towards that, and feeling happy, transforming yourself. Maybe you're transforming your career or something like that, you're taking a different career path, okay. In the next 30 days you're learning about that, and you're you're going to be very busy the next 30 days, and you will have no time for negative thinking, you don't have that time. And conversation, so so maybe some of you are going to have conversation with your families, you're spending time with your family, saying stories to the children, spending quality time with your friends also, at the same time working on your skills, at the same time spending some quality time also, maybe meeting your family and spending time with them, and feeling relaxed, feeling matured. You will be the bigger one who will be giving advice to other people or something like this with this conversation, having conversations with your friends, enjoying your day, and getting out of this thing, finally getting out of that self-doubt, and being confident in yourself, being very enthusiastic about your work, at the same time being confident in yourself. So yes, trust. Okay, so this situation is calling for you to have faith. Okay, so in your love life you need to have more faith. Okay, so that is also coming here. So maybe you ended a relationship or something like that, so this is coming that you need to trust your situation now, because this happened for a reason. This relationship was not meant for you, that's why this ended, and now you need to have faith that you will get more better things in your life, that's why this ended. So that is the worst thing, I feel like that. Or if you are in a relationship right now that is not working the way you want, the divine is saying to have trust, to have faith, this will be okay, the situation will be resolved, okay. Or that's the thing is also coming. Yeah, the union of hearts, okay. So a love connection defines explanation. So yes, this person, you need to trust this person for right now. Maybe the situation, you are not feeling that good about the situation, but you need to trust this person, because I feel you will be with this person. If you feel like that, if your intuition says that this person is good for you, then yeah, just give it some time. For some of you need to give some time, okay. Yeah, that is what is coming. And for single people, you need to trust that your love life will be okay. You will meet the person in the future that will that will empower you in a certain way, that will make you grow in your career, that will make you help to become a better person or something like that. I feel like that. So this person will help you grow also. So you need to have trust in the divine right now, okay. If you are single, I feel like that. And if you're in a relationship, you need to have more trust, okay, that everything will be okay, okay. So that is also coming. And yeah, and if you feel like that, if you feel this relationship is not working, it's making you restricted or something like that, then you need to trust the divine that this is not the relationship for you, and you need to get out of that, and then trust that there is something better coming towards you also. So that kind of 3 scenarios here, okay. And for you, some of you, I feel this relationship might get into marriage also, okay. If you're not married, you might marry this person, okay. So maybe they're not ready for marriage, marriage, maybe some of you are not ready for commitment, but they will be, okay. You need to have faith. So that is coming here. Yeah, look at this, be happy, you know, with this, you know, look at these two cards. These two cards, look at these two. You will be happy, okay, and you will be embracing yourself. So express your self, okay, express yourself. Everything will be okay in your relationship also, in your career also. So be in this energy, be happy. These two girls, you know, these two women are very happy, so you need to be happy, okay. Let that negativity out. I feel like that you are letting go of your stress and you are embracing yourself. You will be happy about everything in your life, okay. Look, wow, okay. You have this rainbow here, okay. So the most difficult part of the situation is over, okay. So this difficult part of the situation is over, guys. So you need to be happy, okay. So if you were in this relationship that was troubling you, you're out of that. You need to be happy about it, and you need to have faith that good things will be coming to you, okay. If you were in a career that was not where you were not happy, so that was the most difficult part of the situation, but now it's over. You will be happy in your career. You will be in a career where you will be working on what you love to do, okay. So that's why you will not have the track of time also when you will be working. With this 8 of Pentacles energy, I feel like that many of you might take your hobby, make your hobby as a career or something like that, and you will be happy with that also. In the love life also, if you are out of a relationship, just have faith that something new is coming and something more good is coming towards you, that will have the potential of marriage. I feel like that. So maybe some of you might meet this person in the next 30 days, or maybe afterwards also it can happen. So you have the potential, okay, something good. Or if you are doubting that this person will not commit to you, the universe is telling you to trust, okay. For some of you, that is also coming here. So, and you need to pay attention to your finances, okay. So if you're shopping extra, you know, you're spending a lot of money, then just pay attention to your finances. That is also needed here, okay. So yeah, so the affirmation that will help you is, I release all criticism, okay. So that is what you need to release, the criticism about yourself also, that you don't need to compare anyone to yourself, okay. They have their journey, you have your journey, you remember that, okay. So I only give out that which I wish to receive in return, okay. My love and acceptance of theirs is mirrored to me in every moment. So remember that. So what you give in, you will receive it. So you don't have to give. So if when you talk good about yourself, you will receive good. So when you talk bad about yourself, you will receive bad. So remember that the energy you put out will come to you. So this is the affirmation. That's what you need to know. So when you will be happy about yourself, when you will be shouting happily, you will receive the happiness. So I feel you have so much of potential. So remember that, okay. So what you put in, so how you're letting your energy out, that will come back to you. So remember that. If you're going to be happy, cheerful, you will receive that in return, okay. So remember that, okay. So let's see what's the charm for group 1. And letter. So from this, you know, happiness, I feel happiness is coming towards you. Get out of your comfort zone, guys, okay. Do something daring and you will be free. I feel, yeah, you are protected also. And look, finances will also be okay. Don't worry about that. Let go of the need, you know, you need to let go of the past. So yeah, with this devil energy, you need to let go of the past. You need to let go of the self-doubt. You need to let go of this devil energy. That is what you need to work on. So the emotions that you're feeling will come back to you. So if you're feeling happy, you will receive that back. So if you are feeling stressed out, that will come back to you. So remember that, okay. And with this both things, I feel that you're going to move forward with your goals and dreams. And relationship also, you're going to you need to trust and keep moving forward, okay. So that is coming here. And finances are going to be good. I feel with this coin, money is coming. Don't worry about that also. You're protected, okay. You're very, very courageous people. And there is a friend with this dog who is loyal, okay. You need to trust more. That can also come, because faithfulness, right? You also need to trust more with this relationship that I was talking here. You have this trust card, right? You need to trust more in this situation. So if you're resonating, you know where you need to trust more, okay. So let go of this attachment towards something. Sometimes you need to let go of that self-doubt, maybe you are so attached to thinking that you will not be able to be successful. You need to let go that negative thinking or something like that that is stopping you from achieving your goals. So many E's. Okay, A, B, I, X. Release your X, maybe that is also coming here. So yeah, that is also here with this devil energy. I feel like that many are holding on to that. Maybe you need to release that or release your past completely. R, O, and we don't have anything here again. Okay. Okay, I have a name, Ria or something like that. Ria. Okay, here. Okay, so if you have any words, comment down below. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello my group 2 whoever chose this potency. So let's see what's coming for you the next 30 days. So I will be doing the charms also, and I'll be pulling out letters also, so stay tuned. Okay, so watch the reading until the end if you want that. So the mystic healer, so the main energy here is mystic healer, so healing energy flows through you. So here I can see an owl, okay, and this moon energy. I'm just attracted to these two, so I feel like that you can manifest at the time of moon energy. Full moon and new moon will be good. I feel the so October 2nd, I feel there is a new full moon. Okay, so you can manifest, you can write your intentions. Okay, so yeah, that's coming here, and I feel many of you are recognizing your power, you're empowering yourself, you're finding that you are also unique. Maybe in the past you have tried to fit in with the society, but now you're not gonna do that. You are actually embracing yourself. I feel like that, and many of you are healers here. You have this healing quality. Okay, and healing energy flows through you guys. You can make other people life easier, and at the same time you will be making your life also easier with this healing energy. So finally you're letting go of the past. In the next 30 days I feel you will be opening your heart center and you will be receiving the blessings you need to receive. Finally you're healing, you're embracing your truth, and you're understanding that there is no, you cannot control your past, but at the same time you can just let go and embrace the new in you. Okay, new opportunity. So finally you're letting go of the control and just manifesting your desires. Okay, and you're I feel many of you are getting very wiser, and you're an old soul also. So you're very, very wise soul, and you have so much to give to other people. You have so much of knowledge. Even though you're young, you have so much of wisdom within you that you can share it with other people. So that kind of energy is going to flow in the next 30 days. Okay, so that is coming here. The first card you drawn is this 9 of Cups energy. So that is beautiful, right? So I feel that if you're in a married life, if you're married, I feel your marriage will be like very good because of this healing. So if there were arguments before, that is all going to resolve, and you will be feeling abundant and financial gain also I can see here. So you will be happy with your personal life and your career also. I feel professionally and personally you will be happy with this 9 of Cups, because maybe some of your wishes are getting fulfilled, some wishes are gonna come true, and maybe it's a small wish, but it will make you happy. You'll be feeling very relaxed and very happy, and you will be enjoying. That's what I'm feeling. So if you're single also, I feel you will be enjoying your single life. Okay, or maybe you're meeting someone, you're finally starting you're meeting someone new, chatting with someone and feeling relaxed and happy within yourself. You're embracing. I feel self-love also is coming. So some of the wishes, maybe a small wish is coming true in the next 30 days, and that will make you happy. Okay, you don't have to be always like if you only bigger, small wishes also can make us happy, right? So it shouldn't be like a big wish only. So I feel some small wishes are getting fulfilled here. And you have this Queen of Cups energy. Wow. So I feel like that you're going to be very intuitive. Okay, so So your thoughts, your ideas are all blessings, okay, the ideas. So take the ideas. So if your intuition says something, you this idea will work, just go with it, okay. So your ideas are also gonna work because you are so intuitive, okay. So these creative ideas are coming from the universe, I feel like that. So take that idea. So don't ignore your intuitive nudge, okay. Go with it. That will make you happy and that will give you more success in your life. So just trust your intuition and go with your intuition, because we are very intuitive people. So don't ignore your intuition, because of that you might lose some chances, okay. So don't lose your opportunities, okay. So trust your intuition. And with this dolphin also, I feel you need to have more fun, okay. Spend quality time with your family, be happy, okay. Don't stress about your children. If you have children, don't stress about them, they will be okay. Okay. So that kind of energy, have fun, just dance, okay. Love yourself, do some makeup, get ready even if you're not going out, something like that. Just be happy within yourself, okay. Do something that makes you happy, that's the thing. And I feel your family life is also coming in order. If there were arguments or something, drama, if there was drama, I feel now it's like, okay, it's like coming in order, I feel you will be feeling free also. That kind of energy is coming. Look, justice card, we have this owl energy here. So I feel you're getting wiser, you're taking better decisions, because if you trust your intuition, you will make better decisions in your life. And I feel for many of your karma is also balancing. So what you have, if you have put good you have worked hard, you will reap the rewards. I feel like that balancing of karma, finally you will be happy with what you get. So yes, with this 9 of cups and this justice, so something is coming towards you that will make you happy for sure, and that you have been expecting for so long. Maybe it is more nicer than what you expected or something like that. And for some of you in your work, with this 3 of pentacles energy, I feel like more people are appreciating your work, your creative ideas. So if you were not recognized in the past, finally they are recognizing you, okay, and you're getting justice in that. So maybe your ideas were not taken because of some people took your ideas, or like that kind of energy where people just steal your ideas. But finally you are being recognized for your work, they're appreciating for your work, or if you provide services, they're appreciating that, okay. So finally the things are getting balanced, balance is coming. Next 30 days you will have your balance, and something new is, I see some new beginnings are coming with this justice and 3 of pentacles. Maybe you're doing something new, something creative ideas you have, and you're putting effort, and finally that is, that will be successful, and you will be feeling very, very happy. So something about that. And look, in the next 30 days, maybe a raise, a bonus, some money is coming, the money that, yeah, with this justice card also, I feel the money that was yours, you didn't get it, finally you're receiving that money, or more than that, more money you're receiving with this money card. Yeah, sure, some of you are receiving the money for sure, okay. I told you the material needs are going to be fulfilled. Some raise, some bonus will be there, and that will make you very, very happy. Financially you will be happy, I feel. And here, very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now, okay. So if you're single, I feel like that this is very soon. So you need to decide, you need to decide something. When you decide, then only you will be manifest, you will be able to manifest things in your life, okay. So keep your intentions clear. So if you want something, just be clear about it, or don't confuse yourself. So one day you will be wanting something, then the other day you will want something else. Don't be like this. So keep your intentions clear, and when your intentions are clear, and when you focus on that energy, on that positive energy, you will receive what you want, okay. If it's a person, that will come to you, if you want that. Of course, if you manifest that, you will get it, okay. So keep be in that positive energy. Don't wishy-washy type of energy. One day you will think something else, and the other day something else. Don't do that, okay. Look at this. Oh, this pile is blessed. I feel your angels and spirit guides are looking after you. I feel like that you're protected in every way. And I feel this pile is also in this spiritual awakening process. You're changing your attitude towards life, and I feel many of you are working with a law of attraction also. Oh, and yeah, with this moon energy, I felt like that, and you can create your own dream life. I feel like that. But be in that energy, you need to be in that energy also. Don't stress too much. So that is the one thing, you have that potential, I'm saying, and if you be in that energy, you will manifest this person also very soon. I feel like that. Okay, but don't get confused and don't be like wishy-washy energy here. I said that. With this, look, miracles and blessings, everything has its gift. So you are blessed, you have these blessings coming towards you. Okay, so yeah, blessings are coming towards you. So open your arms and receive it. Don't be in that negative vibe where you will not be able to see what you're receiving. Sometimes we don't see the things that is coming towards us, or maybe sometimes we receive something and we are not appreciative of that also. So it's important that you appreciate the things you receive in your lives. So there is need of gratitude also, and believe in miracles also. When you believe in miracles, you will see the miracles. So blessings, you're blessed. Okay, remember that. And then yes, observer. Okay, with this observer card, I feel like that you need to observe things more closely. Okay, there are signs coming, signs, angels are sending you signs. So it's important that you take a look on that. And whenever you see a number continuously, please take a look, and don't ignore your intuition also. I feel like that for many of you, you're ignoring intuition, your intuition, your ideas, your creative ideas, that are the blessings from the divine. Okay, so take a look on that and work on that, because that will make you successful. I feel like that for many of you. Okay, we have this 4 number here, 13, 1 plus 3 is 4, and again we have 4. Okay, 4 and 4 numbers. So you are going to be very, very stable. So don't limit yourself. Maybe the only person that is blocking you from receiving your blessing is you, because of your self-doubt. So just let go of that self-doubt. Listen to your intuition. Don't ignore your intuition. Okay, and I feel you can know what other people thinks of you, because you have that power where you can detect the lies of other people. So use that also. So don't ignore your intuition. Okay, if your intuition says that this person is not good for you, yeah, they are not good for you, because you have that capability, I feel like, for this pile. Okay, so be in this energy of happiness, joyful and positive attitude. Maintain this positive attitude. Okay, so some days will be bad. Okay, it's okay to have bad days, but that doesn't mean you need to be in that bad energy all the time. Okay, and when you feel if some other people is giving you negative vibe, please try to just get out of that situation quickly and maintain your positive energy. Okay, look at this. Solid foundation, success with effort. So you look, with this 3 of Pentacles, you have been working hard and you were not getting the recognition you deserved, and finally you are getting the recognition and you're gonna build. I feel for many of you, you were trying so hard to build your career, and finally you will be able to do that with this Tower. And look, new opportunities, possibilities and paths opening up. Because of this, you will get more opportunities, more work. If you are providing some services, more people will be reaching out to you and you'll be feeling blessed. Okay, so be in that energy. And look at that, what you got, this affirmation here. I now create a wonderful new job. With this, look at this, new opportunities, possibilities, paths and opening up for you guys. With this, you have drawn this affirmation card. So I now create a wonderful new job. Okay, I'm totally open and receptive to a wonderful new position using my creative talents. With this 3 of Pentacles, you are creative, so don't ignore your intuitive ideas. Okay, they will help you for your success. Okay, using my creative talents and abilities, working for and with people I love in wonderful location and earning good money. So you will get all these things. So keep this affirmation. Okay, if you write it down if you want. Okay, so this will help you in this next 30 days to achieve your goals and dreams. So if you are aiming for a new job, definitely you will get this, and that will provide you the money also you need, and your ideas will also be appreciated. Okay, or if you are planning to do something like a startup or something with this creative ideas, okay, you will also get success in that. Okay, and for the single ladies or men out there, you will be able to manifest a person in your life if you're looking for it. But be in this energy and appreciate and keep the gratitude. Okay, be thankful for everything you have. Okay, that is also important. And whenever you reach a small goal, be appreciative of yourself and praise yourself. Okay, look in the mirror and praise yourself. The self talk, the self talk should also be nice. Okay, you are worthy. Okay, so let's see the charms also here. Okay, so let's see the charms here for you guys. What is coming in the next 30 days? For my group 2 people, what is coming in the next 30 days? Okay. And what are the letters for my group 2 people for the next 30 days? What are the letters? Okay, for my group 2 people, let's see. So look, I was talking about this mirror here. Look in the mirror and have a good self-talk. Yeah, and the mirror came. So I feel you need to appreciate more. You know, you need to appreciate your efforts also. Sometimes people don't appreciate themselves. You appreciate other people, you don't appreciate yourself. So it's important that you appreciate yourself also. Okay, that is important. And yes, this magic wand is there, so I feel like that you have this manifestation power. So use LOA. I feel that will be beneficial for you guys. And look, these fairies are there. They are protecting you. And being these fairies are very naughty and they're very joyful people. So connect with nature. Okay, so that will be beneficial for you. And sometimes you spend a lot of money. If you're spending a lot of money, so just maybe you will receive money, so you'll be spending. So just take a look on that also. I feel like that. Yes, independence with this cat. And you are definitely psychic also, because I feel your intuition is so strong. With this cat, I feel like that you have this intuitive power. So don't ignore your intuition. Why you have to do that? You will be independent also. I feel maybe financial freedom, or if you want some freedom. Look, with the star wishes, with this 9 of cups energy, a star is also there. So yeah, I feel some wishes are gonna get fulfilled. Okay, so yes, with the sea turtle, I feel like that you're going to be lucky also. And things have been slow for you guys, but finally you will receive the blessings for your hard work. Okay, this is not something that is coming just you're receiving it's not something that you're receiving for no work. You're receiving it because you have worked hard. Okay, so yeah, there was this hanged man energy. I feel like that you were not able to receive it, but I feel like that you will be getting out this, you will be unstuck. You were feeling stuck, finally you're going to be unstuck. I feel like that, and finally things are coming together. All the things are coming together. I feel you're protected from the divine and this motherly energy. So you will be protecting your children also. I feel your children are also protected. I told I said that also. I feel like that. Okay, so yes, you have number 2, balance. Yeah, balance. I told about balance also with justice card. Yeah, finally balance is coming. Finally, partnerships. Maybe business partnership can also happen. I feel like that. Maybe partnerships. Maybe your love life will be balanced also. I feel like that. Okay, so LANSREOGN. Okay. I was talking about LOA, right? Law of attraction, and we got those letters also. So yes, it will help you. Okay, I feel like that. Okay. Yeah, for sure. Then what we have? Your answer. You're going to receive your answer. I feel like that. Maybe this answer will make you, you will be you will be feeling so relaxed, because you will get the answers to your questions, and because of that you will be in this positive vibe also. I feel like that for many of you. Okay, so your answers are, your questions are getting answered. I feel like that some answers are coming, definitely. Okay, then what else we have? With this, okay, we don't have that. If we have I, then it was be lion, that self empowerment, you're empowered. But we don't have an I here. So but I felt like that also. And yeah, okay, so that's it. Okay, if you have any other words, please comment down below. Okay, I will see you soon. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I will see you again. Bye bye, take care. So whoever choose this group 3A, Ace of Swords, let's see what is your reading for the next 30 days, what is coming towards you in the next 30 days. So we will be doing your charms also, and we will be doing the letters also. So let's see what's coming towards you in the next 30 days. Let's see. Okay, so the main energy is finding sanctuary, opening to your spiritual source. So this the next 30 days you will be opening up. I feel many of you are getting spiritually awakened or something, spiritually you're awakened, you're changing your perspective about things, you're believing in the things you never believed in. I feel like that. Okay, so you are very logical kind of people. Finally you're believing in spirit guides, angels, divine, and finally you are surrendering yourself to this. I feel like that, and you're trusting your intuition also with this. I feel like that. So many of you are spiritually awakening yourself. And 3 of Wands energy. So yes, some of you are planning to travel, and main energy here, you may have this lizard here. So yes, you're regenerating yourself, you're growing as a new person. Okay, you're becoming a new person. Okay, overall you're changing your limiting beliefs, you're changing your limiting beliefs, the beliefs that restricted you in certain way. Now finally you're embracing yourself as the way you are. Okay, and you are finally going to achieve all your dreams and goals. I feel like that. So yes, you are embracing this Queen of Swords energy. This Queen of Swords is not going to take anyone's else crap. Okay, so you're taking your power back with this. I feel like that. So in the next 30 days you are going to be in this I feel you will be very, very powerful. You will be feeling very, very powerful, very, very empowered, and you are not taking the crap of anyone, if I'd say. So yes, you are making your own boundaries. I feel like that many of you are doing that, and when you want to speak your truth, you are speaking your truth. Okay, without harming anyone. Okay, that's the thing. You are not going to be rude also, but at the same time I feel like that you're going to tell the truth. That if you don't want to do something, you're not going to do that. Okay, you're saying that I cannot do this, I'm not that kind of person, or I'm not going to do this, I can't do this, like this kind of energy where you're saying no for an answer. So in the past you were like these kind of people who used to say yes for everything. Now finally you're understanding that life doesn't work like this, and you need to be more stronger, and finally you're embracing that because of the spirituality, and because your perception is changing. You're changing your ideas, your limiting beliefs that the society and other people have put onto you, right? And yeah, you're changing your ideas, your belief system is completely changing. Okay, you're freeing yourself from that ideas and limiting beliefs that you have put your you might have put yourself in a cage. Finally you're breaking free from the cage. I feel like that, and moving towards your goals and ideas. With this black and white, you're embracing your shadow side also and your good side also. You're embracing both the sides and moving forward. And with this horse, I feel like that you're feeling free. Okay, you're clearing your past, you're letting go of your past and embracing your you are the newer version. You are embracing yourself, okay, as a new person, and going with you're very, very determined also with your goals, ideas. Okay, so you want to be free, and you're going to be very you will get your freedom. I feel like that for many of you. Yes, so you, with this Chariot energy, you're just moving forward in your life. With this travel also, from one phase of your life to another phase, transformation. Maybe for some of you it's travel, but I feel like that with the spiritual source, you are just embracing yourself and accepting the way you are, and you are not trying to fit in anymore. Okay, you're just accepting yourself, you're loving yourself, and then you're kind to yourself, and you know that you need to love yourself also, because no one has told you earlier and you were not doing that. Now finally you know that you're worthy, and you're embracing that and moving forward with your goals and doing something for yourself, not for others. Okay, that kind of energy is coming here. You will do something for yourself. Okay, so that's the thing. Look, with this King of Wands also, I feel like that you're taking your power back. Okay, you're taking your power back. You're going to be the high in the game, or maybe you have certain ideas in your mind and you will be working on that, and because of that you will be very, very successful also. With this Lion energy, look at that, you're taking your power back. you're with this the strength, you have so much of inner strength, and you're going to move forward with your ideas. You're going to take action. You're very, very determined to do something. Maybe you're going to do something by yourself, in your career. You don't want to work under someone, so you're going to do something for yourself, doing a startup, being the boss of being your own boss, something like that kind of energy is also coming. Okay, so in the past, maybe there was instances where people made you work hard, and they were not paying you enough also, so you were like finally taking charge of that situation and going towards what you want to do. Okay, you're making your dreams come true. I feel like that you're going to work hard in the next 30 days. I feel like that with this 3 of Wands. So you have taken the first step, now you're planning for the other. So yes, go, move forward. Okay, so that's what, with the Servant card, you have felt like that people are taking advantage of you. They are making you work hard and not paying you enough. That kind of energy where they are just bossing around you, and you don't like it. You didn't like it, and now finally you're taking charge. You're getting empowered, and you're setting a boundary where you know what you want to do, and you will not do something that you don't want to do. Okay, you're saying no. Okay, when you want to say yes, you're going to say yes, and when you want to say no, you're going to say no. You're going to be very, very truthful about yourself, and you're going to love yourself. That's the thing. Okay, so for some of you, you have met a person who is like a twin flame or something, or maybe you will meet someone who is going to be a twin flame with this past life relationship. I feel like that. So some of you are manifesting a twin flame. Okay, and this person, I feel like this person will help you grow also in some sort of way. Okay, so if you're in a relationship, I feel this person is your twin flame also with this past life relationship. Okay, so choose love. You always have choice, make yours with love. Okay, so I feel you're empowering yourself. So divine wants you to know that this is a good transformation that is happening, but don't be rude to others also. Be kind and caring also, and say your truth that way. Okay, you don't have to shout or argue with them. You just you be in this positive energy and say what you want to say, but at the same time don't get into an argument or something. Choose love, and they're saying that love is most important thing. Okay, and then look at this, get to know each other. So so for some of you will meet this person. If you haven't met, you will be meeting this person, and you will be spending quality time with this person. Okay, you'll be getting to know each other, and you will be, I feel with this 44 number, your love life with this person will be stable. So if you are in a partnership, if you have met this person, I feel that you will be spending more time with them, and you will be understanding their perspective, and they will be understanding your perspective, and having a balance in the relationship is also coming here. So for some of you have met this. Some of you, I feel you will be meeting this person in the next 30 days, and will be you will be communicating with them and knowing each other's likes and dislikes also. But I feel this relationship will be good, because with this 44 number, I feel this is going to be stable, and you'll be happy with each other, because these two people look so happy. Okay, and so choose love. Okay, don't and the one advice for you guys, I feel like that, is to choose love. Sometimes with this Queen of Swords energy, you might not be able to allow people easily into your life, so it's also important that you do everything while with love. Okay, don't be so rude also. I don't know, I feel like that also. Sometimes because of our life, because of the past, you might get rude to certain people, so don't do that also. It's coming, I don't know why. Okay, so so that is what it is. You need to speak your truth, but at the same time speak with love. Okay, it's hard, I know, but that is what it's coming from here. Okay, look at this. So you're between the worlds. You are neither here, neither here. You're not in the darker side also. You're not in the colorful side also. But yes, you will definitely get out of the situation. And with this 3 number, you're going to be very, very creative with your ideas also. I feel like that, and you will connect with your divine, and don't ignore your intuitive nudges, because that will give you success. And I feel that you will get into this colorful side of your life soon. Okay, so that happiness will come to you. Okay, so just do everything with love, and be kind to yourself. Maybe it's important, choose love here. You need to be kind to yourself. You need to sometimes we tend to be harsh on ourselves. Okay, with this look, we have this 3 number here also, 21, 2 plus 1 3, and we have this 3 number also. Maybe you're seeing 333s here. We have 3 here also, 333, and with the 7 number, spiritually awakening. Okay, with this 333 number is very powerful number. Okay, connecting with the divine number, connecting with your ancestors, so they will help you in this process. So connect with them. Okay, and finally you're getting out of this servant where you were feeling restricted, and you felt like you don't have the freedom to do the things your way. Finally you're getting your freedom also. For many of you, maybe you're getting freedom from a relationship or a career that you didn't want to do, and then you are moving towards your goals and ideas, and in that you might meet a new person also. For some of you, that is also coming. So finally you are in between, but you will soon come out of this stage. Okay, you will be in the colorful side completely. So don't worry, connect with your divine. Okay, look, karma, you will reap what you have sown. So look at this is the karma time. Okay, so what you have reaped, you will sow it. If you have given your best, you will receive the best. Okay, so remember that here. And you're feeling tied down or frustrated, okay, because you are in this between worlds. So sometimes you might feel that kind of frustration, but connect with your divine at that time, meditate. Okay, that will help you. Okay, and then here, my life works beautifully. So this is the affirmation that will help you. Okay, so you need to write it down and work on that. My life works beautifully. Okay, that is what is your affirmation. Everything in my life works now and forevermore. Wow, that is beautiful here. Everything in my life works now and forevermore. So whatever the stage you are in, you will get out of it. Okay, you will be able to manifest your goals and desires. So you need to believe in it. Okay, you need to connect to your divine, because with this 333 number is a very powerful number. I feel this 33, the master number 33 or 333 is very, very important number. You can connect with your divine ancestors, and you are very, very creative also. So if you have given your best, you will receive your best. So right now things are not so good, I know, with this between worlds, but you will be surely in this colorful side also, where you will be you will have your success. Okay, so be in that energy, connect with your divine. Okay, don't lose hope, and be caring. You can say no also, but at the same time you can be more caring towards yourself. Don't be harsh on yourself. So sometimes we say no, and then we will be like blaming ourselves, why I said no. Don't do that also. Okay, love yourself, that is also important, and this affirmation will be very beneficial for you guys. So I'll just show it like this once again. So if you want to take a screenshot or something, you can do it. Okay, so let's see your charms also for my group 3s. What is the chance, what is coming towards you in the next 30 days for group 3? Okay, love. And again we have this 4. Okay, we had this 4 number also, right? Okay, only 3 charms came out. Okay, anyways, so what is like your letters, let's see, for my group 3? Okay, so let's see. With this 4 number, we got this 4 number here, right? 44 number. So yes, you're going to be stable. Okay, don't limit yourself. Don't your limiting beliefs stop you from achieving the things you want to do. So that the thing that will stop you, maybe you will only stop yourself from achieving certain things. Don't be your own enemy, I would say. That is also coming here. Stability is sure, love is sure, and you're going in the right direction. Okay, don't worry about anything. You're on the right path. Just keep moving forward. Don't stress. U A L. Okay, we don't have anything. I T A D R E B. Lit. You are going to be lit. Okay, that's coming here. Okay, so ear. So I feel you will have a good news soon. You will hear a good news soon, I feel, with this ear. Okay, then. Okay, we have this Lita. Is it a name of some of you? Lita. Lita, I don't know. Okay, then anything else? Okay, we don't have. Bite. Okay. Real, be real. Okay. Yeah, real. I was telling about that, I talked about that also, to be real, to take your stand, and when you want to say yes, when you want to say no. Don't be someone else, be real. Okay. And I feel that many of you will be accepting your shadow side. You will be aware of your shadow side also, the real side also, the caring side also. I feel like that is also coming here. Okay. Daring. We don't have this energy, right? Okay, so yeah, be daring also. I feel like that also. Okay, tea, have a tea. Okay, tea. Connect with your friends also. That is also coming. Then yeah, okay. So if you have any other words, just comment down below. Okay, so I'll see you soon. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I'll see you again. Bye bye, take care.